In front of me is Vivo X200 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder. Begin by launching Recorder app and tapping on this red button at the bottom to start. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, click on the middle button. To add a bookmark, click on the left one, and to end it and save it, on the right one. Now, to play your recording, click on it, and to manage it, use all of those options. You can also tap on those three dots at the top right corner and operate all of those. If you wish to, you can always go back and click on one of those options, like this one with a paper and a pen, to rename your recording, and hit OK to save its new name, or delete it thanks to this bin one. Also confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!